Now this is the 3-way selfie stick which only cost me about £5. I will be using it to carry out some of my tests, so let's get straight to it. Stabilization test in super view while I'm pacing slowly. And now I'm going to pick up the pace. Right guys, this is how it looks like while I'm vlogging. I'm on 1080p 60 frames per second and in linear mode. I'm using also the internal microphone, which I should be sounding quite well. It's not that breezy out here, the weather is beautiful, and I'm sure everything seems fine. So let's carry on with another test. Same settings but in wide mode. (1080p) again, 60 frames per second in super view. Guys, this is how the stabilization looks like without any tripod or selfie stick. I'm holding the GoPro Hero 6 with my bare hands and you can see the difference. Carrying out another stabilization test with no monopod, tripod, and there's no housing on the GoPro. So I'm going to pick up the pace and let's see how it captures me. Now we all know this camera is waterproof, but still I don't want to take the risk in dropping this in water without any case, since it's the only GoPro I own. So I brought myself an underwater case which totally protects your GoPro without being hesitant to dropping it in water. They cost roughly about £10 on eBay or Amazon. To open the case, which can be tricky sometimes, simply hold down on this button and then slot down the clip and open the hatch from the front, then the back. Slot in your GoPro, make sure all is securely clipped, and now you can use it underwater. Now some YouTubers out there have tested out without the case and didn't experience any problem, while others experienced there was a problem with their shutter button. So if you don't want to take the risk, then get yourself a case. Now the touchscreen slightly works while it's wet. Once dried up, it works perfectly well. Overall guys, I'm happy with the case. I shall now leave you guys with some 4K footage.